Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Inspire Spirit with Letty. Today, we're going to explore a powerful quote from Buddha, "I am a miracle." Let's start by understanding who Buddha was and why his teachings continue to inspire millions around the world and reminding us of our inherent worth and potential. Siddhartha Gautama, commonly known as the Buddha, was a spiritual leader who lived in ancient India. Born into a royal family, he renounced his luxurious lifestyle in search of spiritual truth and enlightenment. After years of meditation and contemplation, he attained enlightenment and began teaching his insights to others. Buddha's teachings can be summed up in the Noble Eightfold Path, which involves ethical training and meditative practices like sense restraint, kindness towards others, mindfulness, and the pursuit of inner peace. They continue to inspire millions around the world seeking spiritual fulfillment. Now, let's dive into the quote for today, which is, "I am a miracle." What does it mean to you? The quote "I am a miracle" encapsulates the Buddha's profound understanding of the extraordinary nature of life and existence. It reflects the idea that the realization of one's true nature and the potential for spiritual awakening are remarkable and transformative experiences. In Buddhism, the concept of miracle emphasizes the awe-inspiring nature of awakening to one's true self and the interconnectedness of all living beings. It serves as a reminder of the extraordinary potential within each individual to cultivate compassion, wisdom, and inner peace. Buddha's teachings encourage us to recognize that each one of us is a miracle, capable of achieving great things in life. This quote holds a powerful message for us, reminding us that we are worthy of love, happiness, and success. In my personal experience, starting this journey has been a roller coaster, filled with self-doubt and uncertainty. But I made a conscious choice to turn those doubts into determination, and here I am. I realize that my life itself is a miracle, and embracing this journey has given me the courage to share it with all of you. So, let's explore, learn, and grow together as we navigate this incredible journey called life. So, how do we interpret "I am a miracle"? For some, it means finding inner peace and balance, while for others, it serves as a reminder to constantly strive for growth and self-improvement. The interpretation truly depends on each individual's unique perspective. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this quote. How do you interpret "I am a miracle"? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I would like to thank you for engaging with us and sharing your thoughts on the quote. We encourage you to continue exploring the wisdom of Buddha's teachings and embrace the belief that you are a miracle. If you found value in this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more inspirational content. Until next time, keep discovering the miracle within you.